Hey everyone, welcome back to Farming with Vinesh. I want to start by thanking all of you who have liked and subscribed to the channel. Your support truly means a lot, and I appreciate every comments and pieces of feedback you share. A special shout out to Ricky Maharaj from Thailand, Fiji, who requested a more in-depth video on today's topic. Ricky, this one is for you, mate. And to all my viewers, keep those suggestions coming. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends. Now let's delve into today's topic, the moon phases and their importance in farming.
Farming is hard work. Farmers work with nature, battling the elements and working tirelessly to ensure their crops grow. They rely on the sun, the rain, and even the moon to guide their planting and harvesting schedules. The moon is a big part of nature. It controls the tides, influencing the rise and fall of the ocean waves. But its influence doesn't stop at the water's edge. Did you know it can affect plants too? The moon's gravitational pull can impact the moisture in the soil, which in turn affects how plants grow. The moon goes through phases from new moon to full moon and everything in between. Each phase has its own unique characteristics: new moon, full moon, and all the bits in between. These phases are not just beautiful to look at, they play a crucial role in farming. Each phase can mean something different for a farmer. For instance, the full moon is often associated with increased moisture in the soil, making it a good time for planting certain crops. Some phases are good for planting. The waxing moon, for example, is believed to encourage leaf growth, making it ideal for planting leafy greens. Some are good for harvesting. The waning moon is thought to be the best time to harvest root crops, as the energy of the plants is drawn back into the roots. It's like a dance, but with less awkward stepping on toes and more delicious food growing. By understanding the moon's phases, farmers can work in harmony with nature to produce bountiful harvests. Australia is a big place, lots of sunshine. From the vast deserts of the outback to the lush rainforests in the north, it's a land of extremes. The sun shines brightly, casting a golden hue over the landscape, making it a paradise for those who love the outdoors. The Pacific Islands, sun, sand, and farming by the moon. These islands are not just about beautiful beaches and crystal clear waters. They have a rich cultural heritage that includes unique agricultural practices. For generations, folks in these parts have looked to the moon. It's tradition, it's practical. The moon has been a guiding light for their farming activities, influencing when they plant and harvest their crops. It's also cheaper than buying one of those fancy farming calendars. These traditional methods have been passed down through generations, proving their worth time and again. They say the moon's pull affects the moisture in the soil. When the moon is full, the gravitational pull is stronger, drawing more moisture to the surface. More moisture when the moon is full, like the tide coming in. This increased moisture can make a significant difference in the growth of crops, providing them with the hydration they need. Less when it's new, like the tide going out. During a new moon, the reduced gravitational pull means less moisture, which can slow down the growth of plants. This natural rhythm is something farmers have learned to work with, ensuring their crops thrive. My mate Bruce, he's a farmer in Queensland. He swore by the moon for planting his tomatoes, said they grew juicier. One year he decided to plant by the calendar instead. You know, modern and all, the tomatoes, dry as a bone. Bruce went back to the moon. Now, his tomatoes are so juicy you need a raincoat to eat 'em. So there you have it. The moon and farming, it's a thing. For centuries, farmers have looked to the skies, using the moon's phases to guide their planting and harvesting. This ancient practice is still alive and well today, especially in places like Australia and the Pacific Islands. Next time you're down under or out in the Pacific, ask a local about it. You'll find that many farmers swear by the moon's influence on their crops. They believe that the gravitational pull of the moon affects the moisture in the soil, making it more fertile during certain phases. They'll tell you all about it, from the best times to plant seeds to the optimal moments for harvesting. The moon's phases are like a natural calendar for these communities. It's fascinating to see how modern science and ancient wisdom come together in this practice. Want to learn more about this amazing connection? There are plenty of resources available, from books to online articles. that delve into the science and tradition behind lunar farming. It's a topic that combines astronomy, agriculture, and cultural heritage in a unique way. Make sure to like and subscribe. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all our latest episodes and discoveries. We love sharing these fascinating insights with you, and your support helps us keep exploring and bringing you more content. Episode 9 credits footage provided by Generic Stock Footage Company. We couldn't have done it without their amazing visuals that bring our stories to life. Special thanks to Bruce, the Tomato Whisperer. His expertise and passion for farming are truly inspiring. If you ever get a chance to visit his farm, don't miss it. Written and narrated by yours truly, Vinesh and team. It's been a pleasure taking you on this journey through the world of lunar farming. Until next time, keep on growing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.